This is Steve Gelsey with Market Watch. Well, the latest Case-Shiller 20-city index has been released by S&P, and it shows some good news if you're looking to buy a home. The decline in U.S. home prices picked up speed in March with a 14.4% retreat over the year-ago period. With us to talk about the data is David Blitzer. He's Managing Director and Chairman of Index Committee at S&P. David, thanks for joining us.
Good morning.
So with the 14% decline in housing prices, did this figure come in as a surprise, or was it largely expected?
Unfortunately, it's no surprise at all. It's consistent with the trends we've been seeing for probably a year or more. Home prices in most parts of the country are declining. There are very few of any silver linings, and there's really nothing in these data that suggests we're about to hit bottom.
Will this cause further pressure on the financial sector with prices falling?
It puts further pressure across the U.S. economy as much as anything else. Homes are major assets, whether you're looking at people who live in the homes and own them, or you're looking at various financial institutions which have mortgage loans outstanding on them. And the value of these assets are going down on a national basis. Home prices in the first quarter were down about 14% from where they were a year ago. What used to be a $22 or $23 trillion asset across the U.S. economy is a little bit less, maybe $20 trillion if that.
Well, maybe if people add up the value of the gas in their gasoline in their cars, maybe that'll in their tanks, that'll help a little bit too. But that comment aside, breaking down the data, where are we seeing the biggest declines?
In terms of geography, the Sun Belt continues to lead the way south. Miami, to some extent Tampa, Florida, and in the Southwest, Phoenix, Arizona, Las Vegas, Nevada, San Diego, California. Those 5 cities represent the largest declines. For 17 of the 20 cities we track, we break the homes into low price, mid price, and high price, and the declines are far more evident in low price than mid or high priced homes. The previous increases in home prices were also concentrated among the less expensive homes.
And are home prices holding firm in the Farm Belt, where the agricultural business has remained very strong?
Well, we don't cover in detail any major Farm Belt cities. In fact, I'm not sure if there are any major Farm Belt cities. They're holding reasonably firm in the Denver area. They're holding reasonably firm in the Pacific Northwest and in Charlotte, North Carolina. And also in Texas. In fact, Charlotte and Dallas both managed to see prices creep up slightly in the last month, which is a pleasant surprise.
Okay, David Blitzer of S&P, thanks for joining us.
Thank you.
This is Steve Gelsey with Market Watch in New York.